learning theory developed by Jerome Bruner in the 1950s. It provides ongoing support based on a student's individual needs while promoting their independent learning. There are four main features of scaffolding: a common goal, ongoing support, dialogue and interaction, and a transfer of responsibility.
Common goal. The common goal is when the student and teacher decide on a goal for a certain subject. For example, the student and teacher agree that the student needs to build a pyramid out of blocks.
Ongoing support. Ongoing support is when a teacher constantly evaluates the student's progress during a task. To do this, the teacher must have complete knowledge of the task components, sub-goals, and the child's capabilities. For example, they would support and evaluate the student when dealing with these blocks in the pyramid.
Dialogue and interaction. Bruner's theory states that dialogue and interaction is a key factor in learning. Through interaction with teachers, students will be able to build on the information they already know, relating back to the theory of scaffolding. Back to the example of building a pyramid, the teacher explains and interacts with students about how to build a pyramid.
Transfer of responsibility.
The final component is the transfer of responsibility from the teacher to the student. It is very important that the student learns to do the task on their own. At the end of the transfer component, the teacher has transferred all of the responsibility to the student, and the teacher is simply there as the guidance.
In a real-life classroom, a teacher cannot work one-on-one with every student. To combat this, a teacher can provide support through other tools and resources. For example, in the block task, a teacher could provide the students with a handout instructing them step-by-step how to make the pyramid. The students can then use their instructions as a guideline and only ask the teacher when they need help, and for the most part, they're working independently.
So to wrap it up, the four key features of scaffolding are a common goal, ongoing support, dialogue and interaction, and a transfer of responsibility.